Ngano kuna ministry ya kithomo iri na mubango ya kwandikithia arutwo milioni 2.5 kiri cukuru cha Mathomo Ja Utea wikunigana na PS wa mathomo ya TVET Dr. Esther Ja Utea ati mathomo ya Utea ni ndia atithiria kwa Kenya mathomo na kinya umenyo wa kwambiria biashara cio. Dr. Ja kwaragia ari cukuru ya Utea Meru National Polytechnic kaita kakuruguria nini kiwanda kia marigo amuna mirandi ingi tapura muthuri Murioki au tutariria.
Abisa menene wa cukuru cio Utea ndene Kenya no Dr. Esther Thaara na kinyite kiri cukuru ya Meru Polytechnic bwa mbere ne gutegera witi na mbere barabu kuonekana cukuru iji na bojairi ni kuriguria kithi ni kenda kuthia mutu na kinya kuthithia wine marigo.
We are into the business of practically training, and when we have a research like this one which has been done, and now it is application going all the way to the products like wine from bananas, product like I have said the unga from bananas, and mixed also and or fortified with millet and sorghum. It is excellent because it also speaks into healthy feeding.
Twambiririe ntububu no ntuba kwithirwa marigo jainge Meru na yatikona na jeta ugeta koromona da yutethira utikokona marigo jata ina no ntuba kwithirwa yatikomba kura jathira na nyari mbongo baitata bakiuka batikona mbeca na marigo twacho anjirere mutumba gutethia Meru County na murimi uro kurima marigo akona value ya ngugi yewe na njire mu igucho njire gutumira marigo tura tumenyeretie kurija marigo cha twetera ja kura kana turuga irio najo lakini no tutumire njire ngi marigo ria ingi tukajomba ujeka mieri mingi kana nyamiaka na njire mu ni ira tutumire tuthitie ja Meru National Polytechnic atujukitie marigo twaja convert kana twaja ethia mutu churajwira ici kia mbere kuruga na kaja iri wika mieri mingi
Kuomono yani gutigira rita bonde baraba kuma cukuru cio Utea baruma betete kaome kwambira ngugi ciao.
As TVET, we are no longer in the business of training theories, but we want to train our young people to be able to do exactly what is happening here: dry bananas, millet, and make it into flour that can be sold into the market. So a young person can graduate here and go and start their own enterprise.
Ambubu akiwa mwaka juju moroto jwao ni kutikira rito ja baba milioni 2.5 baguta shukuru.
By the end of this year, we want to have not less than 2 million young people, if not 2.5 young people into our institutions, because 70% of our young people do not proceed to the universities. That 70% must roll on to our institutions. We cannot pretend that we have enough workshops to be able to train because we are doing practical training. Forget about theory in TVET institutions. We are talking about practical training.
Na nane mbango jumwe juraba atumira ndikenda gutigira na baba bakutho bakithoma bonde ni mantu jegira shime mitandao iraba kone me mashukuru.
But these over 2 million young people may not be practicably trainable in our physical workshops. So again, we are encouraging virtualizing of our training so that wherever the young people sit under trees and even in their own homes on their couches, they can be able to receive the training on their gadgets and they are able to practically follow the training. And I'm extremely excited. I am extremely encouraged to see that here at Meru National Polytechnic, they have virtual labs, virtual training labs.
Muthuri Murioki, Wero TV, Mutiri wa Kangangi.